Before you share that PDF, watch this. It might be leaking hidden data like the author's name, software used, and more. This information is called metadata, and sometimes it can reveal more information than you want to share. But don't worry, with Systweak PDF editor, you can easily remove and edit this metadata before sharing your document. Let me show you how. First, let's check the metadata. To do this, go to File and click on Document Properties. This displays the metadata of your PDF. Now, let's remove it. Head over to the Secure tab. Here, you will find the option called Remove Metadata. Click on it, and when the confirmation box pops up, just click Yes. And that's it. All hidden metadata like author details, creation date, software info, or hidden tags will be removed automatically. Let's check it again. As you can see, the metadata has been successfully removed from the PDF. If you want to edit and update the metadata instead, click on Edit Metadata in the Document Properties, enter the details here, and once done, click Submit. Let's check it again. And yes, the metadata has been updated. That's how simple it is to remove or edit metadata from your PDFs using Systweak PDF editor. So next time, before you send out a PDF, make sure you clean up and update the metadata with Systweak PDF editor. It's simple, quick, and a smart way to protect your information. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to our channel. It's just a small click for you, but it really keeps us going and helps us bring more useful content your way. Got a question or need help? Drop it in the comments and I'll try my best to assist. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.